This well-maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in the highly desirable Hamilton Ridge community offers both comfort and convenience in a prime South Tyler location. Featuring an open floor plan with no carpet, the home boasts granite countertops, a spacious pantry, and a dedicated laundry room. The generously sized bedrooms, bathrooms, and closets provide ample storage and living space. Enjoy relaxing on the covered patio, perfect for outdoor entertaining. Additional highlights include a 2-car garage, neutral paint, and a modern backsplash. HOA fees cover exterior maintenance, yard care, exterior water usage/lighting, and insurance from the studs out. The gated community also offers access to a clubhouse, providing added security and amenities for a relaxed lifestyle. Come see. Come by.